Hey everyone, welcome to this video series on how to become a profitable trader. Let me be upfront. Trading is one of the simplest ways to make money, but it's also one of the hardest. The strategies, they're simple. The hard part, it's you, your mindset, your discipline, and your ability to control your emotions. If you've spent hours watching trading videos, trying out 100 different strategies and still find yourself stuck, here's the truth. You don't need all that stuff. You only need a few solid concepts, and I'm going to show you exactly what those are. Most people overcomplicate trading. They use too many indicators, chase the perfect system, or spend more time learning than actually trading. Let me save you years of trial and error. You only need a few key concepts to be consistently profitable. That's it. But before we dive into this series, I have one request. Wipe out everything you think you know about trading. Seriously, forget the indicators, the fancy setups, and all the noise you've been consuming. Those things might be holding you back more than helping you. Here's the deal. This isn't some beginner-friendly guide. If you're new and want to learn trading from scratch, just let me know in the comments, and I'll create a full beginner's guide. But for now, this series is for those who already know the basics and want to focus on what really matters. Why simplicity wins in trading. Let's talk about the market for a second. The market doesn't care about you. It doesn't care about your emotions, your goals, or your financial situation. It's neutral. Your job is to adapt to it. Now, the more complicated you make trading, the harder it gets. Simplicity is what works. The more straightforward your approach, the easier it is to stay consistent and profitable. But most people can't do that. They overthink, overanalyze, and end up getting in their own way. Discipline is everything. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. Trading is a game of discipline. Discipline means following your plan no matter what. Whether you're winning or losing, it means not chasing the market, not letting emotions like greed or fear control your decisions. Honestly, no strategy will work if you're not disciplined enough to stick to it. Think about it. How many times have you broken your own rules in trading? That's why most people fail. They lack control over their mindset. Psychology greater than strategy. Here's a fact nobody talks about. Your psychology is the majority of trading. The rest? That's strategy, technicals, risk management, all the stuff most people focus on first. But none of that matters if your emotions are all over the place. So if you want to become a profitable trader, the first thing you need to fix is you, your mindset, your patience, and your discipline. Everything else will fall into place. Forget what you think you know. I'll be honest, most of what you've learned about trading might not be useful. And I don't mean that in a bad way. But so much of the stuff out there just creates unnecessary complexity. What you need is to focus on the essentials. In this series, I'm going to break it down for you. These are the things I wish I knew when I started trading 6 years ago. If I'd learned this back then, I could have avoided losing so much money. Final thoughts. Trading isn't easy, but it doesn't have to be as hard as most people make it. Keep it simple, stay disciplined, and focus on what matters. If you do that, I promise you'll see a difference. So if you're ready to stop overcomplicating trading and start seeing real progress, stick around. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you've got questions, and let's make this year the one where you finally become a profitable trader.